Plans to do. Watched in dark. You may ask yourself, what did this wizard do that was so bad? Well, let me tell you a little something about this. Oh, that was a cheap shot. Okay, back to it. Defeating the Robin Hoods, stealing the king's armor, sending attack polar bears onto foes, and swearing profusely. Oh, and also, that one murder charge for that one wizard, that stupid wizard. I hate him.